identity is formed over a long time. For the city of Geelong, it has been crafted through hard work and hardships. But what this breeds is resilience. People joke that the mood of the town is based on the fortunes of the team. We embrace that. And now, we have a city that is strong. Big things are happening in Geelong, whether it's the people who look after us, places where we learn, where the world learns, or where the world gets the shirt on their backs. The footballing world envies our partnerships off the field. And on the field, the most famous name in Cats history has returned. But this isn't about a farewell tour. It's about success. It won't just be on the back of 1, 2 or 3 players that success is found. It will be built by those we barely know, those we're getting to know, and those whose blood runs blue and white. This year brings the most games in Geelong this millennium. It brings the beginnings of our historic AFLW side. It brings an opportunity to stand proud alongside some of the AFL's most passionate fans. It brings a chance to shout those words we hold so dear. We are Geelong. So to everyone else we say,
bring it on.